Hello, awesome students. I'm Mr. M and welcome to Mukasa Brothers International School. Well, in our previous video, we heavily focused on nouns. And in this lesson, we are continuing on with the same topic, but this time we're going to focus on the 4 types of nouns, which are proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, and abstract nouns. Very good. Now, let's have a look at the first one. The first one is proper nouns. What is a proper noun? Proper nouns name a particular person or place and begin with a capital letter. Alright, now on the whiteboard here, I'm going to write proper noun, of course, and I'm also going to give you some examples of proper nouns, okay? So let's have a look. What is a good example of a proper noun? Guess what? Your name is a proper noun, okay? Because it starts with a capital letter. So the first letter in your name starts with a capital letter. For example, again, my name, I'm Mr. M, okay? So, Mr. start with a capital. So the M is capital. So that shows that it is a proper noun. Let's have a look at this name, Joshua, okay? Joshua, I'm going to write it here. Joshua. Very good. Joshua, okay? This is someone else's name, okay? It's not my name. It's another person's name. So the name Joshua is a proper noun because, guess what? It starts with a capital J, uppercase, okay? Uppercase letter. So, Joshua is a proper noun. Let's have a look at another example. Another example is Australia, okay? Australia is a what? It is a name of a country, okay? It is a name of a country. So, because of this, it has a capital A. So, I'm going to write it here. Australia, okay? Australia. Let's have a look at A. It is a capital, as I just mentioned before. So Australia is a proper noun. Very good. Let's look at another one. Another one is Monday. Monday. I'm going to write it down here. Monday. Monday is a proper noun as well. Why? Because it starts with a capital letter. So the M is capital. And Monday, it is a name, okay, of a day, okay, within the week, okay, very good. So, this is just an example of proper nouns. Now, what I'm going to do with you, the next one is I want you to, this is going to be just a little activity, okay? I want you to, there's going to be short sentences on the whiteboard here, okay? What I want you to do is, obviously, listen. I'm going to read them out to you, and I want you to try and see where are the proper nouns, okay? Could be one proper noun or more than one, all right? So let's go. The first sentence is, Jason and Mary left for Paris last Sunday. Jason and Mary left for Paris last Sunday. So, where is the proper noun or where are the proper nouns in this short sentence? Very good. Now, in this short sentence, there are, can you guess how many proper nouns are there? There are 4 proper nouns. For example, Jason, because it is a name of a person and it starts with a capital J, okay? Mary, it is a name of a person as well, okay? And the M is capital, okay? Paris is a name of a city, okay? And the P is capital. And Sunday, okay? It is a name of a day, okay? And S is capital, all right? Very good. Now let's move to the next one, all right? This is the next one. The next one we're going to focus is called, guess what? Common nouns. I'm going to write it here later. But first, what is a common noun or what are common nouns, okay? Common nouns are names common to all people or things of the same kind. I'm going to write it here. Common nouns. Very good. So common nouns. Let's have a look. For example, a good example of this is woman. Okay? Woman. Why is woman an example of a common noun? Okay? The reason why is because if I was going to say this, a woman went to the shop. A woman went to the shop. Now, the question is, but who is this woman? What is her name? All right? So, woman, it is generic, which means that it is just, it's not specific, okay? And we just don't know enough information about this woman, okay? This one woman, we don't know. So, questions, there's a lot of questions that will come up in your mind, like who is this woman, okay? Yeah, so woman is a common noun. Very good. Now, let's look at another one, a good example. Another example is month. Month. I'm going to write it here. Month. Okay? Month is a common noun. Why? If I'm going to say, okay, I am going to America in 3 months, okay? That is also very general, okay? The months or month is very general, but if I want to be more specific, I can say I am going to America in February, okay? Because February, it is the name of the particular month, okay? Very good. So month is a common noun. Very, very good. Now, let's look at another one, a good example. This could be another example for us to have a look at, okay? Let's look at language. Language. All right, I'm going to write it here. Language is a good example of a common noun, okay? Language. Why? Because if I say, I speak a language. I speak a language. But then the question is, wait, but what kind of language can you speak? Or what kind of language do you speak? All right? Because there are different languages. For example, there is Spanish, Mandarin, German, Kiswahili, and so on. All right? So language is a common noun. You have to be more specific or narrow it down to tell us exactly what language can you speak. Very good. Oh, forgot to rubber out the common nouns. Okay, so this one is done. Perfect. Now, an activity. You have to figure out and identify where is a common noun or what are common nouns in this short sentence. So let's go. All right. Today, I am going to a restaurant. Today, I am going to a restaurant. Very good. Can you figure out if there is one common noun or more than one common noun? Very good. So in this short sentence, restaurant is a common noun because a restaurant, it is general, it's a common noun, but what is the name of that restaurant? Okay, very good. Fantastic. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is collective noun. Okay, so what is a collective noun or what are collective nouns? Okay, collective nouns is the word used to represent a group of people, animals, or things. And I repeat again, collective nouns is the word used to represent a group of people, animals, or things. All right, so I'm going to write collective nouns on the whiteboard. All right, collective nouns. Very good. So, collective nouns. All right, a good example of this could be a choir. Okay, I'm going to write choir. Okay, I'm just going to write a choir actually. Choir. That's a C. Okay, a choir. A choir is a collective noun. Why? Because it is a group of people, and a choir is a group of people that have decided to come together to sing, or a group of people who are singers in a big group. That is a choir, so it's collective. Very good. Let's look at another example of a collective noun. Another one would be, guess what? This could be a pride of lions. So I'm just going to write pride of lions instead. Pride of lions. Very good. That's S. Alright, so pride of lions, guess what? That is collective. It's a collective noun because pride of lions are group. So when you see a group of lions together, that is what we call pride of lions. Very good. Another example of this as well, a class of students. So a class of students. Let me write it down here. So class of students. Very good. So class of students, okay? So that is a collective noun because it is a group of students, okay? A group of students, they could be either very early young learners, okay? Could be teenagers who are a group of students or class of students, or adult, okay? Very good. So now let's do the activity, the next activity on this. Can you try to identify, okay? Can you try to identify what we call is, okay, the common collective noun in this short sentence? All right, ready? People can be funny. People can be funny. Where is or what are the collective nouns in this sentence? Very good. There is only one, which is people. People is a collective noun because, you know, it's just people. It's very generic, okay? But people, what kind of people are they? Okay, so that's what we're talking about here. We want to know more about people. Okay, very good. We're not being specific. All right, so let's look at the next sentence. Okay, the next sentence is the girl and boy both wore a hat. So what is or what are the collective nouns in this sentence? Very good. There are about 3 collective nouns. All right. For example, one of them is girl, because that's very generic. Okay. Boy. Okay. Who is this boy? Okay. And then hat. But what is the hat? What type of hat is it? Is it long? Is it flat? All right. So it is a collective noun. Very good, well done. Now let's focus on the very last one, which is abstract noun, okay, or abstract nouns. The question is, what is an abstract noun? Okay, what is it? The answer to this, abstract nouns name feelings and ideas, okay? They name feelings and ideas. So I'm gonna write it up here. So I've got abstract noun. Okay, very good. And let's look at some examples, okay? Let's look at some example of an abstract noun, okay? You ready? Let's see. What is a good example? Remember, it's all about feelings and ideas, okay? A good one is joy. Joy is a very good example. So I'm going to write it here. Joy. Joy, okay? Joy. So that is a feeling because it shows somebody's beyond happy, okay? Somebody's very, very, very happy. So joy is an abstract noun. Very good. Now let's look at the next one. Another one could be, ouch, pain, pain. Pain is an abstract noun. So I'm going to write it here, okay? Pain. Pain is because obviously it's a feeling, it's something that you feel, okay? If you hurt yourself, you feel pain, and pain is an abstract noun. Very good. Let's look at the next one. Next one is fear. Fear. Okay, I'm gonna write it here. Fear. Okay, fear is an abstract noun because again, it is what? It is a feeling. Okay, it is a feeling. Okay, that you are beyond scared. Okay, you feel fear, so fear of the unknown or the uncertain fear. Okay, very good. Let's look at the last one. Last one is sorrow. Okay, sorrow. I'm gonna write it here. So, sorrow. Very good. So, sorrow again is an abstract noun because it is a feeling. Okay, and also ideas are also abstract noun as we mentioned earlier as well. Okay, any idea that you might have, it is an abstract noun. Very good. So these are the examples or some examples of abstract nouns. Okay, very, very good. Now let's do our little activity again and see if you've been paying attention. All right, so let's go. You ready? And try again. Do your best, okay? Do your best to figure out the abstract noun in this sentence. There could be one or could be more than one. So let's go. Don't fear, my child. Your freedom is coming. Don't fear, my child. Your freedom is coming. So, are you able to identify? Very good. All right. In this sentence, there are, can you guess how many? There are two abstract nouns, such as one of them is, the first one is fear. Okay. And the other one is freedom. Okay. Very, very good. Now, let's look at the next short sentence. Are you ready? Let's go. I have so much confidence in you. I have so much confidence in you. All right. Are you able to identify an abstract noun in this sentence? There could be one or there could be more than one. Very good. In this sentence, the abstract noun is confidence. Okay? Because it is a feeling. Very good. Well done. Now that is the end of our lesson. So make sure that you practice and learn them. All right? And at the same time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in this video. See you next time. Take care.